G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm off to Domino's. They've got a new pizza pasta out. Thought I'd give that one a go. Now they range from $8.99 up to $12.99 and there's a few different varieties. I'm going to go the Meat Lovers pizza pasta to see what that's like. Well, there's only one way to find out, and that's a whip on in the Domino's, so let's go! Alright, well, here we go. The pizza pasta, Meat Lovers, $12.99 this cost. Let's suss it out. Oh, yeah! Da 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 da. Oh, gee. Wow, that's pasta? Gee, it looks like French fries. And that's the Meat Lovers there. It's a bit of beef and a bit of whatever that is. Actually, the website says it's the best of Domino's Meat Lovers. Penne pasta loaded with pepperoni, Italian sausage, smoky ham, ground beef, crispy rasher bacon and stretchy mozzarella cheese with garlic butter. Well, I can see some bacon. I can see Italian sausage, some ground beef. Not too sure where the pepperoni or the smoky ham is, but it's not looking very appetizing. Look at that pasta. It looks like it's burnt. Oh, God. I hope I don't bust any fillings on this. Now, it has got some weight about it. I've got the scales. Let's see how much it actually weighs. 394 grams. 3. Well, that's about the size of a pretty big hamburger that's got quite a lot of stuff on it. Anyway, let me just try some of this pasta here because, well, it looks like it's pretty hard and very dry. Chewy as well. Oh, boy. Oh man, that is really hard to swallow. That's what she said. All right. Oh, there is some sauce here too. So the sauce underneath with the pasta. Well, let's go. Well, you really get that pasta sauce taste, that's for sure. And when it blends in with the pasta, it tastes all right. It does actually taste quite pizza-y, actually. Tastes like a nice bolognese. But you do really have to mix that pasta sauce in with those crusty bits of pasta to sort of soften them up a little. I mean, it's edible. Doesn't seem to be a lot of cheese on there though. It doesn't seem to be very loaded. There's like hardly any cheese. There's no stretchy mozzarella that I can see, and the flavour of it's all right though. Not minding that. But as far as toppings go and cheese and everything, I could have probably done a little bit better. It is quite salty. The flavour of it's all right. The dryness of that pasta that's there on the sides, well, hopefully most of it will just stick there and you can't take it off. So you won't get those bits, but once you mix everything in, it's sort of okay. Probably would have liked a little bit more toppings on there. The toppings that are there are tasting all right though. I'm really liking when you get the bits of bacon in there and the sausage. It's all blending nicely in my mouth. Well, that tastes all right. But I wonder what score I'll give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, $13 for this. Gee, I'll tell you what, I would rather get one of their big old pizzas for that. Way more filling and way more satisfying. Value-wise, yeah, I think it's a little bit overpriced, let's face it. Some of them start at $9 and go up to $13. So is this worth another $3? Probably not. Flavour-wise, well, the flavour's all right on it. It's not too bad. It tastes pizza-y, actually, and the sauce on it, there seems to be plenty of sauce underneath, which is good. Some of the toppings, there was enough toppings there, I suppose. I would have liked more, of course, but the ones that were there were pretty nice and nicely cooked and everything. The pasta was a little bit overcooked in some places. Once you sort of mix everything in, it tastes all right. And there wasn't much cheese on this. I mean, I can hardly even see any cheese on this whatsoever. But all in all, it wasn't too bad. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the meat lovers pizza pasta, I reckon this is a 6.2 out of 10. I mean, the flavour of it's all right. And it's got these burnt bits of pasta around the outside that are, well, they're not really edible, and well, there's no real cheese on it, and it could have been probably some more toppings or something, but it does taste like a pizza pasta. So, I mean, you've got to give them that. So, but yeah, otherwise, would I be going back for another one again? Not in this lifetime. But I'm sure if you're into pastas, then you probably might enjoy this one from Domino's. What's my recommendation? Well, if you are into pastas, mate, you might want to go and give this one a go. See what you reckon for yourself. Now, while I went to Domino's today, I thought, I'll get another one of those Pepperoni Deluxe pizzas because, well, the first one I had was really good, and the second one I had was all right. But when I saw this one, I was like, hang on a sec. And I actually had to go back and question him. I said, are you sure that's a Pepperoni Deluxe? And he said, yes. I said, with the 100 pieces of pepperoni and 33% more cheese? And he said, yes. So I was like, okay. But I still don't believe it is. Let me show you why. Now, the first one I got looked amazing. It looked so good, and the crust looked great, and there were so many toppings and lots of cheese on there. Like, you could really notice a difference. But this one, mate, it just looks like a plastic display that they'd show in a food court somewhere. I mean, it doesn't look like 33% more cheese. And the size of it just looks smaller. It just looks horrible. And let me say something else when I weigh it. The other one weighed 660 odd grams with the box. And this one, 470 grams. So, this one weighs 200 grams less. Can someone please explain to me why this one weighs 200 grams less and it's the exact same pizza? And I asked for oregano and chili, and well, can you see any oregano and chili flakes? Because I can't. So the last time I had one of these, I thought it was so good, I gave it a 10 out of 10. This one, that pepperoni is pretty good. I'm changing my score. 3 out of 10! I knew he was lying! But we're not here for that. We're here for the pizza pasta, and mate, I think they should stick to making pizzas. Even though it did taste all right. Anyway, that's all today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Well, I was going to say I ate some pizza pasta, but I don't think I will be. But you never know what's around the corner on Greg's Kitchen. See you then.
Oh, mate, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger licking.